Hello guys, welcome back for another extreme messy clean with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now let's tackle our messes together. So new here, my name is Sarisha. I'm so happy to have you guys here. If you enjoy this content and want to see more like this, please do consider subscribing. I'll appreciate it so much. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I love to hear how you found my channel also. Thank you guys again for being here. Let's get started.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
On this channel, you can find tons of cleaning motivation and weekly shopping vlog. I hope you guys stick around.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things.
We go any further, I just want to take a moment to introduce you guys to this awesome product that I found. You guys know that I'm renting, and storage has always been my problem. So if you're a renter, even if you don't rent and you own your home, this will definitely elevate your space within your garage or your parking space. This awesome company, they're called Bradyl Box Solution. I'll have all the details linked in my description box, so you can go ahead and check them out. Are you a renter who is constantly running out of space in your home? As a family of 4 with 2 little ones, we are constantly accumulating things that we just don't have anywhere to put. I am so thankful that Bradyl Box came up with this innovative storage solution for renters that has truly transformed our space and changed our lives for the better. I no longer have to overwhelm my trunk with unnecessary stuff. I can easily take these things out and free up space for fun activities, and I finally have a place to put my groceries when we go grocery shopping. The box is easy to assemble. It only requires 2 people and typically takes approximately 2 hours to put together. It was built to last, so this can last you a lifetime. It's made of steel material with powder coated paint, which offers rust resistance. It is roomy and convenient. It can fit up to 900 pounds and it provides over 80 cubic feet of secure storage for your valuables. It fits over all cars, SUVs, and most trucks by just adjusting the leg height. It fits most parking garage space. It's freestanding. It provides an anti-tip hardware, which is included in the package. It has this lockable gas stroud assisted door, so it's easy to access. If you have one hand full, you can easily open it and close it with just one hand, which is perfect for busy family members, especially busy moms. If you have a toddler, etc., all the necessary required hand tools are included in the box for installation. It comes with the vented top, which is perfect for reducing moisture. It provides the perfect storage solution for all your extra Christmas decor. We know Christmas is coming, and if you're anything like me who loves to shop for Christmas decor, and especially the holiday season, I constantly in need of storage solutions, so this is perfect to store all your extra Christmas decorations or seasonal decors overall, and your kids' bicycles, strollers, extra suitcase bins, and stuff that you don't have space in your home for. My favorite thing about the box is it is not permanent, so when you do decide to move, if you do decide to move into your forever home or another apartment, you can easily break it down and take it with you, reassemble it, and you have it forever. Let me know what you'll be cleaning today. Were you cleaning along with me, or were you just watching for the motivation to get up and clean?
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for sticking with me. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please do consider subscribing. If you haven't yet, you can share this with a friend. I'd appreciate it so much. Guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please do hit that subscribe button to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. The next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys and I can't wait to see you guys next week.